Okay, my name is Elisa, but I'm 6. That's why I'm wearing pajamas. So I'm going to teach you how to make a mini Murphy's. So this is what you'll get in the box, but there's bacon. My brother always gets bacon in the cup, but he just has pepperoni instead of cheese, and he gave me one with cheese because I have 3. They usually give me 2. And now I'm going to show you how to make a mini Murphy. So if you watch this show, it'll show you always how to make a mini Murphy. So you'll get a plate like this. Sorry, I dropped it accidentally. Okay. So this is how you start. You have to take the wrapping off the pizza dough, and you just try to take it off as much as you can. Mine kind of ripped a little bit right here. So this is how you make one. You'll get some sauce with it, and I like sauce with it. And your parents will get a spoon probably, and you put it on here, and then you start spreading and spreading. And then you just take some more, and then it keeps spreading. And after I'm done with this, I'll show you how to put the stuff on it, okay?
Hey guys! This is what it's gonna look like next. Yummy pizza.
Yeah, that's my brother. He already made his pizza, but he's not. He kind of is still coughing like I am, but I really need a Kleenex though. Well, not now though. Let me just get it all spreaded out. So when you get it all around, I'll show you the next part. Okay, that's the first step to put the sauce all over, but try to not get it on here because then it's hard to pick up the pizza. So you take the lid off and sprinkle whatever you have in there over the pizza, and you'll probably get 2 cheese cups probably, but if you like pepperoni on it, you'll get pepperoni. Okay, so this is step 2. You can get different toppings, like my brother has bacon, and that's what his pizza will look like right here. So this is what it'll look like when you're done. You have to spread it all over like this. Then maybe you have a different way to do it. You put the lids back on. Like my brother is allergic to cheese, so I need to put the lids back on. But I know there's one with cheese, but I like to save it, and because there's already a lot of cheese on here. So this is how you make a pizza, and then probably your mom will put it in the oven. Say hi, Mom. She's right there.
Hi.
My mom's going to open the oven up, and she's going to put my pizza in, and she'll show you how you do it. So she's going to put the pizza in that my grandma and grandpa wanted, but I think they already have their pizza. And there's our 2 mini Murphys to put in the oven, and my mom's going to push it back in. Now she's going to put that on. She's going to set it for about I don't know, probably about 10 minutes.
Look in it and see what it looks like.
Okay, this is what it looks like. That's my cheese pizza. That's Zach's pizza, and that's my mom and dad. Hi, my mom's going to pull the pizzas out of the oven. So you always have to be very careful when you're by the oven and your mom's taking the pizza out, because you could get burned to it. She's putting them out to dry, and mine is the last. My brother's got to go first.
Okay.
And that's how you cut a pizza. And I'll try to bite. It's kind of a little bit hot, Dad. Yeah, good. So that's how you make a pizza. And when I eat the rest, it'll probably taste good. Bye.